green juice. This is green juice. Specifically mint mojito, made fresh at Foodland Farms green juice. This is a sort of experiment that I'm doing, just talking about one subject and being okay with a video being maybe about 10 minutes or less than 10 minutes long. It shouldn't be even that long because I tend to notice I yap a lot and I'm trying to get some control over it. So right now I'm just going to talk about this green juice and this green juice only. I want to see where my mind kind of goes just talking about one simple subject that really should not be that drawn out. And this is sort of just an experiment, and at the end we'll see if this is good or not. So let's see. This is a made fresh at Foodland Farms juice. This is in mint mojito. You know what this is sort of giving me? This is sort of giving me a review that you would otherwise make on TikTok, Instagram, the portrait mode type of review. But this is for YouTube, long form, landscape form video, which is different. But here we are, drifting again. This was $5.99. This is $5.99 from Foodland Farms. Is that ridiculous or what? I bought this, oh my gosh, maybe last week sometime. So I thought, let's give this a try. They do have a variety of flavors, but I wanted to just go gung-ho and go for the green, go for the gusto. I've never bought one of these before from them. I don't think I've ever tried a green juice before. I've never made a green juice before. I've made green smoothies in the past with kale, spinach and kale, but I'm excited to try this. Okay, Foodland Farms. What is all in this? Let's see. Coconut water, lemon, spinach, mint, cucumber, banana, honey. Shouldn't be that bad, right? Look at this thing. Just green juice. Okay, so far so good. We're at 3 minutes and 30 seconds. So this video might not be that very long at all once I cut it down and edit it. Very good. Since I had bought it a while ago, it started to separate. Maybe it was the coconut water at the top and everything else towards the bottom. But give it a good old shake. And we're good to go. Shall we give it a try? First impressions of the smell. Smells like cucumbers. I also ate dinner already. I had dinner, I had my sweet treat. Here goes nothing. I mean, it's not terrible. I'm just not used to it. I'm sure it's very healthy for you. Maybe another flavor next time, Foodland. That wasn't so bad. This is probably the shortest video that I've uploaded, and I will edit. Yeah, mission accomplished. Okay, maybe one more try. Just swing it, go.